Hello everyone. This video will teach you how to adjust the head flying height and head temperature to enhance the head's read and write capabilities. Okay, now we can see this is one Seagate F3 hard drive, and we obtain details and enter the DFL Seagate firmware repair software. We can try F3. Okay, this is F3T prompt, Control L. We can check this is the hard drive family ID and it's a family name. Now let's check how to adjust the head flying height and temperature. Okay, this one, click Edit. Here we need to select this one for the new drives and click Opt-in. We just need to wait a little bit because the program is now reading the necessary parameters. And here we just need to use adjust adaptive auto. Okay. And here we can see that the program is adjusting these parameters automatically, and all user need to do is just to wait until this progress completes. Now we can check the log window. So we need to wait. So we need to keep an eye on the log window to see what is happening with the drive repairing. Now the program is repairing the weak heads by adjusting the head temperature and the flying height. Now we can see this load. Now yes, edit within ROM and write to get this update value. Data update still in RAM. Power off will cause update failure. User can edit to its ROM. Yes. Now we can save to ROM. New ROM. Now we save to desktop. Click save. We can click right here. Or we can click write ROM. Write the new ROM here. Select the new ROM. We just save. Click OK. After writing the new ROM and the hard drive, we run with the new parameters, with the new head temperature and flying height. So after this one, many unread sectors will become readable again. Now, after writing this new ROM, we can check the sector read to see the result. Now the program is writing the new ROM. Okay, ROM write completes and we can power off and power on the drive. And let's see the sector scan. Now we check the sector scan to see the head's read and write capabilities. We can see now the sector read is very fast and the hard drive becomes readable.